Hello everyone, I am going out for the first time. Got my mask and everything. I'm gonna walk slowly in the shop and just enjoy myself. Ooh, I got my cappy. Going out, guys. Here we go. Yeah, I'm very excited. I haven't been out. The only time I've left the house for so many months have been just to go to the hospital. That's it. Just to the hospital. And it's a beautiful day. I'm going to take you along with me. So happy. My hair is starting to grow back. Slowly but surely. Yeah. But the funny part is the grey hairs are coming out first. Can you guys believe it? I don't know where to look. They say I must look there. Waar moet ek kyk? Ja, ek weet ook nie meer nie. Anyways, I'm on my other phone where I can interchange from the view that you can see, and then when I talk, you can look at me. So I'm on another phone. There we go. Here we go, guys. I'm on the road again. Here we go. Bye, house. See you just now.
You come back to the house. Wait, let's see.
Okay, first stop, pit stop is Lansdowne Corner Mall, and I'm picking up my medication. Here we go. There he goes. I go get my meds inside by the pharmacy. Okay guys, our second stop is a quick pop in by Woolworths just to get a few things. Okay. What's that song's name where they say bumper cars? Bumper cars. Isn't it? Driving. Look at us now. There we go. We're driving. Okay, there we go. Chilies. Watermelon, Mediterranean cucumber, salad. Nice Greek salad. Two for 40. That's cheap. Let's take two. favorite. Battery for my scale. Get me one of these. Okay, we're done here by Woolworths. Next, Spice Shop. Okay, we're done by Woolworths. Wasn't bad at all. I did well. Didn't buy too many things. Okay, guys. I just wanted to show you where I get all my other stuff that you see. But look here. What's here at Imam Cape Town Spice Emporium? What's all my spices? Look, look, look. Talking about that. Need 2 of that. I have from the others. And you see all the different noodles, sauces, spicy sauces, and here we go. And I'm definitely getting one of these and a few other sauces. Yeah, I need a trolley. Yes. And this is where I get my curry leaves, guys. Look there, whole box full of curry leaves. Pawpaw bites, coriander, nice garlic and ginger. And some more goodies that's here. Final stop. It's the corner store. Get some fly catchers for Louis. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Apricot roll.
Nice, no?
Yes, I'm definitely getting this. Show the sweets. Looky, looky. You got mangoes! Oh my word! I'm getting mangoes! My favorite! Oh my word! Let's see what else is here. Oh, salmon.
I got peach also.
You got peach also?
Yes, peach.
Okay. Gonna go there now. Let's see. Meatballs. Wilson blocks. Star sweets. Look at that. Monkey nuts. These mangoes.
How many want, Fatima?
8. Because Louis brought his whole family with. Guess who's making banana loaf? Me. Oh, slangetjies. Here's the chocolate clusters. Yes. So I'm gonna make banana loaf. Okay, guys, we just pulled in. I did 4 stops. I can't believe it. It went very well. It was wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back again with another video soon, to be continued. Bye everyone. Peace out.